Hello everybody, hope you are doing great. It is too often we have to take price value from our product for Google Analytics tracking, and the price value should be the number. But many cases we make some mistake and we found lot of discrepancy in our report. There is a 10 example of price. If we look first one, this is a price with dollar sign, and the price also contain comma. This is a euro sign price, this is euro, and it also contain comma, and this is a pound sign. There is also pound sign as well as there is a comma, and this cases this is also a price example, and the currency value is end of the price and it is USD. This is a Japanese currency, and if you look here, the price value contains other text start from USD. This is, and this case this is more difficult. You see that there is a buy now, and at the end there is a rupee only, and this is total price wrap with bracket, and this cases the price contain another HTML bold tag. If you look here, and this cases this price also wrapped with a span tag with some CSS style. And now I am going to share a one single technique or rule that will help you to take any situation, this kind of situation, perfectly collect the exact price value without any discrepancy. To accomplish this thing, I will use a regular expression pattern. Before writing the actual code, I am going to a nice website, EXR. If you go to this website, you will find this kind of interface. I am just removing sidebar as well as the bottom option for more room, and then I am come here and copy all of the example and I am pasting it here. And this is the regular expression pattern. I am removing everything. Actually, if we look here, what is our strategy? Our strategy is we like to remove everything but number and the number and point sign, the number and the dot sign. For example, this price we will remove everything, this one, comma, just we will keep the number and dot sign. This cases we will like to remove everything this way, just we will just we will keep only the number. So I am undo thing, and the regular expression pattern, as at first we need to type a bracket. This is a square bracket. Inside the square bracket, if we type \d, look here, the \d mean the digit character. It selected all the digit character which is available in our example. And then if we put a dot sign, it also selecting our digit character and the dot character. And our cases, actually we need the opposite thing. We like to select the character which is not number or dot. To do that, we need to add this character sign. Now this caret sign means that not this. Now if we check that only the everything is selected but number and dot is not selected. Now our task is we will remove everything, and I am going to replace. And if I come here and replace with nothing, look, we are getting only the number. Of course there is no line break. For demonstrating purpose, I am just also escaping new line. Look, there is no any other character as well as any text, only we are getting the solid number value. And this is the regular expression. Actually we don't need it, it was just for demonstrated purpose. I am just removing this and just copying. And again I am going back to my website. This is website, and now we will play with how we can take the right value from here. I am opening the Google Chrome console, and then if I inspect here, I have added class price 1, price 2, price 3, price 4. When you will work in a real e-commerce website, you will find something like class or ID on price. Now if I come here, we can write variable price. We can take document.query selector price 1, and then inner text. And if we check price, we are getting the first price. But in our cases, we like to remove the comma sign as well as the dollar sign. To do that, we can write another variable value, and we need to replace something from price, and this is JavaScript replace method. In the replace method, we will use that regular expression. It was the bracket, square bracket, then backslash d and dot, and of course we need to use a caret sign, and then this is a global flag. This global flag means that it will search every all string, not the first one. If we don't use global flag, it will only work for first character, but if we use z flag, then it will search entire string. And then we are replacing the selected thing with nothing. Now if we check value, we are getting this value, but there is another problem. It is we are getting a string type, because if we check type of value, you see this is a string, as well as you can easily see it, there is a quotation before and after price value. To fix this issue, I am again I am pressing the up arrow from the keyboard, and I am back to here, and then we can use a plus sign or parse float function to make the string value to number. And now if we check value, you see we are getting exactly number value from this value. Now I am removing this, and step by step I am again show one by one all of the example. Now we are taking price 2, and then this is the value, and if we check the value, you see for these cases we also getting this value, as well as if we check number 5, we are here, this is the price 5, this one. And then if we check price, we are getting this price, and if we like to take the formatted value, then we need this. And then if we check the value, we are getting only the solid value without any currency. And now if we check for this complex thing number, it is number 7. I am going back to previous code and changing the class. This is a number 7, and price, this is a complex price. Now I am again replacing the thing, and now if we check, now we are getting very nice value from this complex string. As well as if we check number 8, 9, 10, everywhere we will get only the price value with number format, which Google recommend for any type of value. Let's finally check our last two, number 8. I am just going back again. We are putting number 8, and if we check, we are getting this one, and finally our value, this is the value. And if we check value, we are getting the exact right value from here. So this very short and simple regular expression can help us for any critical situation. We usually replace our string, and it is sometimes we may see that there is a dynamic price option in our website, so anybody can easily change their price to dollar, to other currency like pound or euro. That cases actually it is difficult to get the correct value. But if we use this simple regular expression tricks, then we can easily get the right value format, from whether it is a dollar sign, whether it is a euro sign or anything, or whether it's the price contain any other text. So hope this video will help you for your next tracking thing. And if you enjoy my video, please click the like button, and you can subscribe my channel for getting my new video quickly. This is MD Hassanuzzaman, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.